Every grain of rice on your plate began its journey in Indian soil that has been nurturing life of thousands of years. This is not just dirt, it is a living ecosystem containing billions of microorganisms working together in perfect harmony. In India, we touch the earth before entering our homes, recognizing something science now confirms. Healthy soil contains more living organisms in one handful than there are people on earth. Our farmers have always known what researchers are is rediscovering. The soil is the foundation of all abundance. But here's the deeper truth of your life. Just like soil, you need the right conditions to flourish. Soil doesn't judge the seed that falls into it. It simply provides what's needed for growth. It takes broken leaves, fallen branches, and decomposed matter and transforms them into life-giving nutrients. Your setbacks, failures, and difficult experiences are not waste. They are compost for your future success. The richest soil come from what was once broken down and transformed. Stop seeing your struggle as punishment. Start seeing them as a preparation. Like India's fertile fields, your greatest growth happens when you trust the process of transformation.